Hi, this is Emmanuel from Weaf Point of Sale System. I've been doing a series of videos trying to demonstrate to you how to use the point of sale system, which is customized with inbuilt EFRIS integration modules for your day-to-day business transactions. So at this point, I'm going to be showing you the process of generating a tax receipt, or what we call an e-receipt, from Weaf Point of Sale. Okay, Weaf Point of Sale supports automatic or auto syncing of invoices or sales receipts to EFRIS, and also has a manual where you just click the button to push. So for some of you who have interacted with our systems, we use the term fiscalize to mean pushing a transaction to Uganda Revenue Authority or EFRIS. The product you have been working with is called Fanta 2025. This. So we have 110. I'm going to go ahead and sell 4 pieces. I'm going to go ahead and click on the total is 6. So this is what you do. After selecting or making a selection of your items, if you want to send this transaction to URA directly, just click on Save and Fiscalize. It will ask you to add payment. So I'll click Add Payment. Let's say customer pay that. I just click OK and give it a few seconds for the transaction to be pushed to URA, and here it is. Invoice successfully fiscalized. Do you want to print a receipt? I will say yes, and when I say yes, it will go ahead and send a request to the printer if it is connected, and the receipt will come out. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to go to sales and just open for you what we are from pushing, and we have a look at it. This is what we are from pushing currently. This is the invoice physical number that was returned. So our transaction was successfully pushed to EFRIS. So I'm going to click on preview for you, and when I click on preview, this is what happened, what it looks like. We have the FDN verification code and the QR code. You can scan this. I'm just going to copy this FDN. After copying that, I'm going to come to the test environment where I'm pushing my request for EFRIS, and we validate our invoice to ensure that it is what it's supposed to be. So when I come here, I can see that our transaction indeed exists at Uganda Revenue Authority servers. Okay, so this is a confirmation just to you that whatever you have been sending has been reflecting where it is meant to be. It is a walk-in customer. So this is what we are from selling. We didn't give a discount. We can just try to make another sale where this time around we try to add a discount, and we see it is 2025. This time around, let's sell 10, and we are going to give, this is the quantity on hand, we are going to give a discount we are going to give a percentage discount of 4. Let's give a discount of, yes, let's give a discount of 4%. So After giving a discount, I'm going to save and fiscalize. I'm going to add payment. I'm going to receive that and wait for the feedback from the API. Perfect. This time around, I'm going to open. When we print this invoice, it saves a copy. It saves a copy in your documents. There is a folder which is called Weaf POS. It creates a copy here. So this is the last one, which is from creating a copy. I'm just going to open for you this printout receipt, and you can have a feel of how it looks like. Last time we checked on the other one, which was a preview from the system directly. Now let me try to open for you this printout and you have a look at it. What exactly will be printed? So this is a look at a summary of what will be printed. With supermarket, put the details, put the details, put the details. Okay, this is what will be printed for you. So I'm just going to copy this FDN, and I'm also going to come here and we try to validate this. And validating this, you see the item, the quantity we sold, it had a tax 18%, then we gave a discount of 4%, which becomes 600 shillings, and this is the final copy of our transaction. Basically, this is a summary of how you can fiscalize a transaction through with point of sale. Apparently, we can try to do another sale where this time around we will not be sending the transaction directly. Let's say Fanta 2025. This time around, let's sell one. I'll just click on save invoice. So this saves the invoice but doesn't. It saves the invoice but doesn't push the invoice to URA. Okay? It saves but doesn't put the invoice to URA. That is in case you are not supposed you didn't want to push it right now. In a scenario where you may want to push this invoice later on, come to sales receipts. It will always appear at the top. Click on it. So go ahead and open this invoice. So after opening this invoice, you can go ahead and click on Fiscalize button. This will pick the invoice and push it to URA. It shows us it is successful and so on. So if you want to print, you'll go ahead and print. If you don't want, you can leave it there. Okay? This is how you can use with point of sale. At the end of the day, you can go ahead and obtain your reports to see your daily transactions. So this will show you how much has been received in cash, the counters, how much has been received in each counter. You go ahead and have your final report, and you can go ahead and close the drawer. Thank you.